to sunny Desolation Sound. We were in Refuge Cove for days. We did a visit at Cortez Island and visited in Squirrel Cove, and now we are off to Tenedos Bay for our last few days being up in this beautiful country. Enjoy the video.
This is Tenedos Bay, fair amount of boats. That's us down there tied to the far outside, the smaller boat. Oh well, still good. We're just climbed up a 13-minute hike, well for me anyways. Still waiting for the rest. Unwind Lake is over there somewhere behind the tree line. I don't know if we'll get there anytime today or tomorrow, but it should be good. Beautiful. That's looking south, and that'd be east, and the mountain ranges over there toward the northwest, no, northeast. That mountain, where it is right there, that's about 6,000 feet. 6,000 feet right there at that point. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's it from Tenedos Bay, Desolation Sound.
Another glorious day. We made it to Tenedos Bay. The rest of the cruise, they went for a hike up to the top while I just relaxed out on the boat, enjoying the scenery, and right up at the very top you could see them. That was a beautiful cruise from Tenedos Bay to Prideaux Haven. The 3 bayliners are waiting for the wind to die down so we can tie up together, and Rocky is ready for his nap.
Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty shades of moonshine.
Just leaving Desolation Sound now. 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun's coming up. It's beautiful. Mink Island is on the left. East Redonda, just over there on the right. Up ahead, Mechanici. We're going to be following them across the strait to Comox. Hopefully be there before lunch. 6 in the morning right now. Well, we'll be there before, probably about 11 maybe sooner. We'll see. Sarah Point. Let's see, get my finger right up here. Once we pass there, we're out of Desolation. Cortez Island is kind of right over there. And that right there is where the Twin Islands, those are the Twin Islands. Alright, signing off.